Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we will see how to install Blender on Windows. First step is to open the browser. I am using Google Chrome browser. So on Google just search for Blender. It will open the Blender website. Then go to the download page. Here just click on the download Blender. If you want to donate, you can donate, otherwise you can proceed further. This will start the download of the package and it is around 300 MB of package. Time required for downloading this package depends upon your internet speed. For me it is showing a time of around 3 minutes. Download process can take some time. Now it is about to finish. Yeah, it is downloaded completely. So we can go to the downloaded folder. To install the Blender, we need to click on the download package. This will initiate the installation process, and installation process can take some time. It will start with the acceptance. We need to click on I agree, then next, then click on install. This will first validate the install, then it will update the component registration, and then it will do copy Blender files into your computer. This can take up to few minutes for the complete process to complete. Now the installation is about to finish. We need to click on finish button. Now it is installed in our computer. To open the Blender, we need to go to the Windows and then we need to click on Blender. This will open the UI of Blender software and it will look like this. So we can now proceed with our projects and we can create our models and our animations in this Blender. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.